Hey, what's going on? What's going on, everybody? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Street Trading here with today's trade lesson video for everybody. We're looking at a 15-minute chart of SPY. It is Friday, the last session of the week. Last trade ideas video for this week. It is, what is it? It's the 16th of June, something like that, 2021. Let's get right into it. So as you can see, it's pretty messy past couple sessions in the markets. Obviously, the Fed shaking up the street a little bit with backing away a little bit from their they're kind of trying to stabilize the economy with bond buying and interest rates and et cetera, et cetera. So obviously, you're seeing a little bit of pretty much profit taking. As you are kind of seeing a little bit of unfolding in the market on a technical standpoint. Overall, the benchmark is definitely looking a little messy, to say the least. Obviously, cracking through all-time highs in the middle of the week. Printing, we're looking at the other side right now. Definitely not calling a top, of course, but the fact that the Fed is going to be pulling back a little bit may, lead us to believe that, we may be looking at another kind of different sentiment moving forward for the second half of June and possibly for the rest of summer. We shall see, but we're going to see how the session kind of ends today and obviously unfolding into the next couple of weeks as well. Should have a nice indication as to the thought process behind some significant players. All right, anyway, we actually going into today's session with quite a bit, but it's mostly we're tracking for the weekend for next week. So definitely, not going to trade everything that we're about to show you guys here, but what we are going to be looking at is tracking for our weekly for next week. So there's a number of securities that may not even be, ready for today, but we want to definitely continue to track them to see how they're performing to wrap up this kind of shaky week. See what we're going to look at for next week's session. But so a lot of the securities we're going to be talking about today are probably going to make it into our weeklies. But let's just get into what we're looking at, and we'll discuss a little bit more in detail what we're really going to be focusing on for today's session. All right, guys, let's get down to business.